Okay guys, so I'm metal detecting a new site today. This is a spot in a park that used to be a historical monument. It was where a Civil War statue was. With everything that's recently happened, they removed that and they tore out a road that led up to this site. Now, apparently this road was over 100 years old, but it may have been repaved at one point. I'm not really 100% sure. I just found my first thing and it's definitely, I don't think 100 years old. It's some kind of bottle cap. But I want to see if you guys can tell me what this is. So I don't know how well you can see it, but on this bottle cap it looks like two elk or two deer fighting, and there's a red dot on it. It's probably just some kind of alcohol. I'll research this later. Let me know if you know what it is down in the comments. On to the next. First coin. I don't know what it is yet either. It's some kind of penny. No, it's a dime. It's a Roosevelt. Be nice if it was a silver. Looking like a 1994. I'm going to take a closer look at it. I'll be right back. So it's a 1993D Roosevelt dime. It's clad, but I'll take it. But through persistence, I have made an interesting find. But we have a Winchester 40 caliber Smith & Wesson bullet that's been fired. It's packed with dirt, of course. But yeah, it's been fired. It looks like it might have been dinged on the side by a lawnmower or something. It was actually about 6 inches down, so it was pretty deep. That's an interesting find. I'm gonna keep hunting. Stay tuned. Let's see. All right. Here's our coin. All crusty. We might not be able to find out what it is. Yeah, he's pretty toasty, guys, so I'm gonna get him cleaned up and see if I can identify him. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have no clue what this coin is. Let's go ahead and see if we can dig a couple more plugs and find something good. Barber quarter, maybe? Okay, guys. I'm stoked. Okay, so I just got my first cool find. It was right below the surface, but remember, this ground has been dug up by bulldozers to remove the road. So without any further ado, let's look at what I found. So I got an old buckle. How cool is that? I'm gonna try to carefully remove some of the dirt out of this guy. Wow. An old buckle. It's got that awesome green patina on it, and it's still got the clasp. Okay guys, I've been waiting for this moment for a hot minute. This is really cool. Look at that. Now I am going to try to do some research on this, but if you guys can tell, just from the shape and the style of this buckle, from when it was from. If you guys have any idea what era this was from, let me know down in the comments. I'd be appreciated. This is why I do metal detecting. This is so cool. It's an awesome relic. I'll take that any day.